today we don't get to choose anything. Our rides, food, drinks, none of it. The wheel is going to decide everything that we do here today at Lagoon.
Here's how it works. We've got 3 wheels, one for rides, one for food, and one for wildcard. We're gonna do 3 ride spins, 2 food spins, and 1 wildcard. Kinda scared because it's like 100 degrees here today.
Let's do our first one now. So we're gonna pick our first ride. We got a randomizer here. So we got all the rides here, and then we got the food
and wild cards.
And the wild cards. So let's go ahead and do a ride right now. Gonna hit it. Let the wheel decide. Wicked.
Oh yeah, okay, we're starting off strong. I'm so excited. Hopefully it will like land on Rattlesnake Rapids today. It's like my hope.
It's gonna be up to 103.
Great, let's go do Wicked. Get to Wicked. We had like a first timer roller coaster person, and that was his first roller coaster ever, and he did Wicked, you guys. It was crazy.
It was really, really funny.
Yeah, but he did it, so if you're watching this, congratulations.
So we're gonna be doing our next ride now. We're gonna be doing it from the wheel.
All right, what is it?
Terror ride.
Oh, thank you, Lord, and all of the gods. We're gonna go inside. Oh my God. For the center ring, they have some Lagoon grab bags. The smaller one is $15, and the jumbo bag, the bigger one, is $20. So we've done 2 rides already, and now we're gonna do the food wheel. So we're gonna see what we're gonna eat.
Exciting.
Yes, I'm very excited. So, okay, I'm gonna tap. Hopefully, I did the right wheel. Find out.
Not a pretzel. Not a pretzel.
Okay, we got the burger, and I think this burger is actually at
the beer garden.
Perfect. We'll grab our drink there too. So let's head over there, and we're gonna also give you guys the rating. So keep watching. Having lunch here at Lagoon, this is how much it costs for 1 draft beer and the 1886 burger. And our total was $39.51. We're definitely gonna share. We're definitely sharing. So this is like one of the biggest tips is if you come here, you're planning on eating at Lagoon, share a meal. We got the 1886 burger as promised. It does come with fries and fry sauce, which is very exciting. Also got an Ultra on draft. And again, the cost is about $39, so we definitely recommend sharing here at Lagoon if you're planning on eating or dining in here. We just had the 1886 burger. What would you give it out of a 10?
Like a 6.8.
I think that's fair. That's probably what I would give it. I kind of feel like it was like a lot, and I'm not like a huge barbecue sauce person, But
Yeah, I mean, there was 3 jumbo onion rings on it, 2 patties, lettuce, tomato, cheese, onions, a giant pickle on top. I don't know how you're going to bite into that without taking some of that off. So for me, it's like a 6.8. Not good overall.
we did end up taking the onion rings, like, out of the burger, and they were actually really good. The fries were a 10 out of 10 for me. The fries were awesome.
The fries were awesome. Make sure to ask for 2 fry sauces. If you're from Utah, you know. If you know, fry sauce is the best. Ketchup sucks. So you got to keep this. This is our 3rd one, so
It's great. So definitely share. But overall, we usually don't like the burgers here at Lagoon. The one thing we did actually really like at Lagoon was the chicken salad sandwich, which is not in the main beer garden
it's actually where we're at right now.
like over to the side. So that one is pretty good, and it's like a lighter sandwich if you're hungry.
And the draft beer is a 10 out of 10.
There you go.
It is 102 degrees outside right now, and
Or probably like 40 Celsius.
so we are dying.
It is probably the hottest I've ever been at Lagoon. I'm like,
Well, we did it to ourselves. I think we knew, but
yeah, so we're actually experiencing some extreme heat waves here in Utah. And yeah, we decided to come here and record this video for you guys. So here we are.
also we're in our favorite campground here at Lagoon. If you keep on going all the way back, once you enter in, there's plenty of campgrounds back here with plenty of benches. You can bring your own lunch in. There's, families eating right now. It's almost 1 o'clock, and yeah, it's awesome back here.
Real quick before we get to what we're gonna do next, we did want to give you guys an update on Lagoon. Just a quick 30-second state of Lagoon as of today, and it is mid-July. What day is today?
July 12th.
July 12th ish, whatever. So mid-July, it is. I feel like today is not as packed, but it is because of the heat.
And we got here around 10:55, and the parking lot was typically we have to park on the other side of a roller coaster, and so this time we parked on the other side, and there's plenty of parking. I'd say the parking lot's 85% packed.
Yeah, so it's definitely not as packed, but I feel like the past 2 times that we've been here, it's been really busy. So my recommendation is, if you want to be the crowds, be here right when they open, or maybe come in a little bit later if you're a season pass holder. As far as rides go, so good news is that today we saw both sides of the Nutcracker working, so that's great news. Hopefully will help the lines, as they were quite a bit long the past few weeks.
And Colossus was up and running all the way today. Great news.
Yeah, so I think for the most part, all the rides are open here in the park. There might be some closures as we move through the season. I think that the Ferris wheel, I always forget the name.
I don't think that's open yet. They were repainting every one of the seats.
Yeah, so that's not open yet. But as far as State of Lagoon, if you're planning on coming here, most of the rides should be open. All the restaurants are working.
The water
Saturdays
park's open.
And Sundays. Water park's open, yes. So very exciting. So if you're coming here to Lagoon, this is your update. And if you have any questions, let us know.
All right, now we're going to be opening up our grab bags. If you don't know, they have these grab bags over by the Wild Mouse on the south side of the park. And you can get a large bag for $20 and then a smaller bag for $15. We got the larger bag for $20. That means only $5 more. And you can choose which one. And here it is right here.
Oh, yeah.
So we are now going to open it. I'll open the first one. Isabella will open the second one.
And this is the real reason why I decided to come to Lagoon today.
Got our first item.
Stop.
It's a Hello Kitty.
Oh my god. It is like a squishmallow Hello Kitty. First item.
Go and open up the second one. Grab your hand in without
Okay.
looking. It's called the grab bag.
Alright, hold on. I think I got one. Alright, not sure what this is actually.
Is it a sponge?
Oh yeah, it's like one of those things that you
A loofah?
No. It is like if you have anxiety, this is actually really good. I actually have some by my desk. Yeah, really great.
Item number 3 is going to be a Lagoon sunglass case.
Wait, this is actually really cool and useful. Very good.
2 more.
All right, hold on. Oh, I'm not supposed to look. Okay, I got some gummy bears, which is perfect.
Last one. No.
Wait, I think I know what this is. I'm excited.
Utah Jazz fans. This is not great.
Wait, this is great.
No, it's not. A Lakers flag.
This is awesome. Okay, maybe I'll give this one to my little brother, but I do like this flag, so shout out LA Lakers.
If this was going in my house, this would be going in the trash can.
Oh.
LeBron's no longer there, but they got Luka. They got pretty good things like on the up and up, so
I don't know what any of that means, but my favorite one out of the whole grab bag was probably the Hello Kitty. I'm not even gonna lie. But there you go. This is kind of what the jumbo grab bag looks like. There are quite a few different items. It was actually kind of fun. We might do this like one more time.
maybe 2.
Yeah, maybe one more time. I guess we can always give stuff to like our nieces and nephews. So that one I might keep. Okay.
Hey guys, we're back and we're about to do our last wild card of the day. One wild card of the day.
Let's see. Okay, nothing too crazy. We're just gonna play a random carnival
Game.
Yeah, so very exciting. We're gonna go do it. Maybe they still have the World Cup one because that was kind of fun.
Maybe.
I did win that one, so Tyler didn't like it, but
I think I'd rather pick it. A different one.
okay.
Got it! Oh, really? Okay.
Oh no. This is what we got. Perfect. Let's go. It's not too hard to eat it. I will not get any. We got 2. Okay.
So we just got back from doing our carnival game. We won twice.
Well, you did. I didn't. But we're gonna do our last food wheel and see what we land on. We've got like 3 options, so we'll see what we get. But let's go. Yeah, last one. Okay, very exciting. I wonder what we're gonna get. Wait, what is that? Ice cream or gelato?
Yes.
Thank God. I got the forest berry gelato. Okay, forest berry gelato. It's like a 5 out of 10.
Hello guys. I got I don't know what it's called. It starts with an M, but it tastes like cheesecake. It's really good. It's like a mascaroni or something like that. I have no idea. And like a 9 out of 10. Pretty good. Our gelato is really good. I really like that place.
Yes.
About to spin our final wild card ride of the day. Ride of the day.
No, this is the last ride. Let's see. Oh.
Yeah, let's go.
Would you maybe let a wheel choose our day again at Lagoon?
Absolutely.
Okay. What was your favorite maybe like moment or part of the day today?
Wicked.
Want us to do this again in the future? Just let us know down below. That is it for today's chaos at Lagoon in Farmington, Utah. And if you're planning your Lagoon trip or have any questions about the park, let us know in the comments and follow us here on YouTube and TikTok for more. Okay? Bye.